Hello students, in this video we are going to cover balancing of word equations. First of all, we have to convert word equation into normal equations, into normal reactions, and then we have to balance that. First equation is potassium nitrate giving out potassium nitrite and oxygen. So potassium nitrate is KNO3. On decomposition, it is giving out potassium nitrite, which is KNO2, and oxygen, which is O2. Now balancing it, as we can see that with 1 mole of the reactant, the equation is not balanced, the elements are not balanced. So we are going to take 2 moles of the reactant. Now you are having 2 potassium, here only 1. So for balancing that, we are going to write down 2. 2 nitrogen atoms. 2 nitrogen atoms are balanced now. And oxygen, 3 multiplied with 2, 6. 2 multiplied with 2, 4 plus 2, 6 oxygen atoms are balanced. Now balancing second equation, which is nitrogen, N2 plus hydrogen. Reaction is of reversible nature, giving out ammonia, which is NH3. Now on reactant side, you are having 2 nitrogen atoms. Here, for balancing that, you are going to write down 2. Now 2 nitrogen atoms are balanced. Count hydrogen atoms. 3 multiplied with 2, 6 hydrogen atoms are here, and only 2 hydrogen atoms are here on the reactant side. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 3. This is our second balanced equation. Third one is calcium chloride, which is CaCl2, plus sodium carbonate, which is Na2CO3, giving out sodium chloride, which is NaCl, and calcium carbonate, which is CaCO3. Now there are 2 Cl and 2 Na atoms on your reactive side, but only 1 Na, 1 Cl on product side. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. Now this is our third balanced equation. Now balancing fourth equation, calcium, which is Ca, plus water, which is H2O. These two are combining, giving out calcium hydroxide, which is CaOH twice, and there is liberation of hydrogen gas, which is H2. Now balancing it, here we are having 2 oxygen atoms, here only 1 oxygen atom. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. So 2 oxygen atoms are balanced. Now hydrogen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, 2, 4 hydrogen atoms are there on product side also, 1 calcium and 1 calcium. So this is fourth balanced equation. Now next one is iron, which is Fe, plus hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, giving out iron second chloride, which is FeCl2, and hydrogen gas is liberated out, which is H2. Now 2 Cl atoms on your product side, but only 1 Cl here on your reactive side. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. Now 2 hydrogen atoms are balanced, 2 Cl atoms are balanced, and 1 iron is already balanced. So this is fifth balanced equation. The next one is nitrogen dioxide, which is NO2 plus water, H2O, reacted with oxygen, O2, giving out nitric acid, which is HNO3. Now if you are going to balance this equation with 1 mole of your HNO3, the equation is not balanced. If you are going to take 2 moles of this HNO3, then also the reaction will not be balanced. The equation will get balanced when you will take 4 moles of HNO3. And since 4 nitrogen atoms are there on your product side, here you are going to write down 4 for balancing nitrogen. Now balancing hydrogen, here you are having only 2 hydrogen atoms, here you are having 4 hydrogen atoms. So for balancing that, here you are going to write down 2. Now counting the number of oxygen atoms, here we are having 4 multiplied with 2, 8 oxygen, plus 2, 10, plus 2, 12. Here 4 multiplied with 3, 12 oxygen atoms. So this is 6th balanced equation. Now balancing 7th equation, lead oxide, which is lead 4 oxide, that is PbO2. Upon decomposition, it is giving out lead monoxide, which is PbO, and oxygen O2. Balancing it, since the equation is not balanced with 1 mole of the reagent, we are going to take 2 mole of it. Now here for balancing Pb, we are going to write down 2. Oxygen atoms are 4 on reactant side and 2 plus 2, 4 on product side. So this is our 7th balanced equation. Now balancing 8th equation, which is aluminium Al plus oxygen O2, giving out aluminium oxide, which is Al2O3. Now equation is not balanced with its 1 mole, taking 2 mole of it. We are having 4 Al here, only 1 Al. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 4. Now balancing oxygen, 6 oxygen atom on this side, only 2 on this side. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 3. Now next one, iron, which is Fe, plus chlorine, which is Cl2, giving out iron 3rd chloride, which is FeCl3. Equation is not balanced with 1 mole, taking is 2 mole. 6Cl, for balancing that, here we are going to write down 3. So this is balanced equation, 9th balanced equation. So covering 10th equation, potassium bromide, which is KBr, added to chlorine, which is Cl2, giving out potassium chloride, which is KCl, and bromine, which is Br2. Now for balancing it, there are 2 Br atoms. Here we are going to write down 2 potassium. Now potassium, bromine and Cl atoms are now balanced. This is our 10th balanced equation. Now covering 11th equation, which is potassium bicarbonate, giving out potassium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So this is AHCO3, giving out K2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Here you are having 2 potassium atoms, here you are having only 1 potassium atom. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. Now potassium atoms are balanced. Carbon, 2 carbon atoms are balanced. Hydrogen, here you are having 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms, these are also balanced. And oxygen, 3 multiplied with 2, 6. Here 3 and 3, 6 oxygen atoms. So this is balanced equation. So covering 12th equation, calcium hydroxide, which is CaOH whole twice, plus ammonium chloride, which is NH4Cl, giving out calcium chloride, which is CaCl2, plus water, H2O, plus ammonia, which is NH3. Now here you are having 2 Cl, here only 1. So for balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. Calcium, these are balanced. Cl, balanced now. Now counting hydrogen, 2 hydrogen here, 8 plus 2, 10 overall hydrogen are there on the reactant side, and for balancing hydrogen and 2 nitrogen atom, here we are going to write down 2. So nitrogen atoms are balanced, and hydrogen 3 multiplied with 2, 6 plus 2, these are 8 hydrogen atoms. But on your reactant side you are having how many hydrogen atoms? Here you are having 10 hydrogen atoms. For balancing that, here we are going to write down 2. Now 6 plus 4, 10 hydrogen atoms here on your product side as well as on your reactant side. Oxygen, 2 oxygen atoms here and 2 oxygen atoms here on the product side also. So this is 12th balanced equation.